Hi everyone, welcome to my tutorial. Today we are making this tarot card case. The pattern link is in the description box below. Let's start. Make sure you print your pattern at 100% scale. And let's start prepping. First you need to cut around the line in the rectangle area, and then we'll put it together. The quickest way is just use tape. Make sure it all matches, and there it is. Now it's time to plan and lay out your pattern on your piece of leather. Once you have your pattern all laid out, let's go ahead and draw, and then let's cut. Once you have all of your leather pieces cut out, I would use the pattern on top of the leather and clip, and then mark all of the holes that are on the main body front, main body back, and the gusset. This is to make sure that you have the even number of holes on all of your pieces, so when you sew, it's gonna be all perfect. So now let's punch all of the holes through the leather pieces that we just marked. So next we'll be installing the magnet buttons. Use the position on the pattern as guide to where to place the magnets. Then we'll glue the flap interfacing to the main body back, and then stitch. As you can see, the flap interfacing is slightly larger than the main body, so we need to cut it out. This is to make sure that the front and the back pieces are perfectly aligned. So after cutting, you can draw the stitch line and start to punch the hole through, and then stitch. For the main body front, on the back side, I cut 2 thin pieces of leather and glued on top of the magnet buttons. This is to protect the cards that you'll put in. Next, we'll stitch the main body front to the cassette. Glue along the sides where you'll be stitching the main body front and the cassette together. And then paste it like into sections just like this, and then you start stitching. And once you get finished that section, and then you just continue stitching bit by bit. There it is, the front part is finished. So now let's stitch the back part to the cassette. Thank you for watching my video until the end. If you like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, bye!